We'll guide you through how to fix auto lock being unavailable and being grayed out on your iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video, and let's get into this. Not being able to change your auto lock settings can be super annoying, so let's get into a fix for this. This is happening because you've got low power mode enabled on your phone, and low power mode is going to go and override the auto lock settings. So what we need to do is go and disable low power mode. To do that, you just go back to your main settings like this, and then what you need to do is go into your battery settings. So scroll down and then go and click on battery, and then what you'll need to do is toggle off low power mode. So go and click on low power mode, and now that's turned off, we can come back out of there and we can go back into display and brightness, and then we can then go and change the auto lock settings. And it is important to note that low power mode will override auto lock as well, and you can't go and change the setting while it's in low power mode. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like and check out the channel for more useful guides on everything tech. I look forward to catching you in the next one.